Introducing Whirlybird Flyer, the sensational fun machine for boys and girls. Whirlybird Flyer, their very own amusement park ride where tickets are free. Built for kids aged 3 to 10, this exciting Whirlybird ride offers fun for all the family. Whirlybird Flyer can be used indoors or out, providing year-round enjoyment. Unique space-saving technology and quick fold-away action means you can store your Whirlybird Flyer easily and securely in a space measuring only 3 feet by 2. Transport by car, take it anywhere. Whirlybird Flyer can be assembled in minutes. Kids love Whirlybird Flyer's real ride excitement and their authentic fairground features. The reassuring click of the safety bar and the soft grip handles providing easy self-propelled action, fast or slow. Kids have complete control, and Whirlybird Flyer can be used by one rider or two, bringing the fairground experience alive. Join the revolution. Whirlybird Flyer. They love it.